Making a quick little video here to talk about this product that I've just ordered. I just moved into this new place. I used to live with a carpet place, but this one's hardwood floor, and this vacuum has been a lifesaver really. It's very comparable to the Dyson design and honestly works just as well. I've had a Dyson before. It comes with similar attachments. It has the smaller brush attachment, the angle attachment, and this is a spare roller for this here. It has the soft and flat brush for hardwood flooring here, and this would be more suitable for rugs and carpet flooring. This extension helps so that you don't, it acts just like a full-size vacuum here. Very simple design, elegant, and with just one button you turn it on. There it goes. There's our battery light on this light. Even on the standard suction, we see that it picks up fairly easily. Has no real issues with anything. And on top of that, we also have the boost here for anything that might be heavier. But overall, it's absolutely everything a vacuum needs to do, and it gets the job so easy. I've just cleaned this out, but you can still see some of the dust up in there. And it just comes with a very easy tab. You pull the tab open, and all the dust just comes flying out of there. Easy to use, very effective, very affordable, and I would recommend this to all of my friends and all of you.